Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Here is Rima Healthy with your home of healthy recipes. I want to say a very big congratulations to us. We made it to 3,000 subscribers, and guys, I am so appreciative of you. So today on my recipe table I have plantain cupcakes, and my main ingredient is ripe plantains. So I'm going to use 2 out of these 3, cut them into smaller sizes and get them to blend. After, I'm going to set it aside for later because I'm going to need it in the middle of my recipe. Then I'm going to add my wet ingredients and then add the dry ones later. So I'm going to add my melted butter, eggs, milk, vanilla extract, and some sugar. So then I'm going to make sure all my ingredients are well incorporated. So the next thing I am going to do is to add my dry ingredients, which is some flour, salt, baking powder, and nutmeg. Then get everything to mix. And the next I'm going to add is my riped plantain. My blended riped plantain to it, and also make sure that it's also well incorporated with other ingredients. So the next thing that I am going to do is to get it ready for baking or for the oven. My baking cups are already greased, so then all I need to do now is to fill them and get them ready. But before, I'm going to add raisins to it, and this is totally optional and it's my choice. So if you want to make this recipe and you don't have raisins at home, you don't have to beat yourself. All you have to do is to just go ahead with your recipe or with your cupcakes, and it's still going to be perfect without that. Okay, or you can add any saying that you want, maybe pumpkin seeds or something. It's all your choice. So my baking cups are filled, and then I baked this under 150 degrees, and it took me about 30 to 35 minutes to get it done. So guys, it came out so perfect, just like how I wanted it. And note, I did that without any measurement, but I don't know, you can check your measurements when you are doing this, and it's going to come out so perfectly. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you like it and you're going to try it at home. I'm glad that you came. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel already and you like what I'm doing, I would be glad to have you. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. So until I come your way again, it's bye.